Welcome back, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm a princess. We're going to play with my Thomas train and have some fun. And if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. I'm autistic, and I do age regression, ABDL, autism, DDLG, age regression content, and some of it is educational. And some of it is my lifestyle every day. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe to this channel. And it's called Emily Little Playground. I have a main channel I'm trying to get back. You can subscribe to that channel if you're watching. And that channel is called Little Playground of Dreams. So both channels are the same content. They just have... one has less subscribers than the other, one has a playlist than the other, and the other channel is my main channel. I post 4 videos a week on that channel. And on my second channel, which is called Emily Little Playground, I post 3 videos a week on there. So let's play and have some fun, babies. Babies, babies. So we're going to do a pushy one first. And then it pushes on, get it up, and then it's a pushy one. This is not an electric one. Oh no, 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 no! Emily, no! There you go. Woo! Switch the tracks. Finish the circle. Yep. Do it again. Oh, switch the tracks. That's, and then I got all the little Percy's. Look, I got I got 2 Percy's here. Oh no! No! Don't derail, Emily. Oh no. Nope. No. Alright, Percy, you gotta help Emily. You gotta help her go. Percy's turn. Oh no, Percy derailed. You know why? Because they're connected. So we're gonna unhook. Unhook Percy, number 1. And this is Percy, number 3. Alright. Alright, now for the fun. This is Emily. And then here's Percy. That's Emily going on the track. Here is Emily the Train, my favorite, because she's got my name. And, yeah. We'll switch the track. Emily's going to go in the circle. Hopefully they don't have a collision. Percy's coming around the corner. Oh no! Alright. Hopefully Percy goes through. Boom. Oh no, Emily. Oh no. 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 Everyone's derailing here. It's only a problem. Percy is... no. Percy just came undone. Poor Percy. Oh shit. I mean, poopy. Sorry, didn't mean to curse. There goes Emily, and there goes Percy. If you guys like this kind of content, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is me being my autistic self and having fun. I like watching them go, and I also like, this is the push along Emily, where you just push it on the track like that, and just go. Yeah. What the heck happened to Emily? Emily, are you not like trying to go up the hill, huh? Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video, and I don't have a playlist on this channel, but I do have some fun videos. Check them out. I did a room tour. I do some conversation stuff. And please subscribe to my second channel. And yeah. Love you guys, and be the best adult baby you can be.